Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about a startup company that has just released not too long ago that will allow you to get up to $10,000 in personal credit without having to do a credit check. And I'm going to talk to you about how it works, how to get approved, the application process, and everything that you need to know. So you definitely want to watch this entire video so that you don't miss any parts of the video, because you could mess up on the application and end up not getting approved. So if you want to see more videos like this about personal credit, building personal credit and business credit, as well as online entrepreneurship, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I drop new videos. And also, if you find this video valuable, please make sure that you like this video. And also, I'm going to be starting a giveaway for the month of September. So in order to win, you need to be subscribed to this channel. Make sure that you have the bell icon turned on, and make sure that you have the one that says all notifications so that you can get notifications for every video. You have to make sure that you're commenting on every single video. So you're going to leave a comment and you're going to leave your Cash App username at the end of that comment, and I'm going to randomly pick someone who has been commenting on my videos to win the money at the end of September. So you have to make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell icon. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into this video. So this company that we're going to be talking about in this video is called Tomo Credits. So this is like a fintech company that has just launched not too long ago, and they're launching a new type of credit model where you can actually get up to $10,000 in credit, and it's going to be through this charge card that has no interest, and you do not need to have any credit history because they're not going to do a credit check. What they're going to do is they're going to look at your banking history, and they're going to go off of that to give you an approval amount. So you're also going to be able to earn up to 2% cash back on your purchases. So the minimum credit limit is between $100, and like I said, it goes all the way up to $10,000. There is no APR, there is no fees, and there is no credit score or minimum credit score. So this is a new approach to getting credit, and this is going to help a lot of people out with starting up credit, building credit, or repairing their credit history, because you do not need to have any previous credit, or they're not going to even check to see what your credit score is. So this is a good option, and this is going to be something that a lot of new companies are going to be doing in the future, because this is a new approach to help people out with credit. So what you're going to do is you're going to go through the pre-approval process, and you're going to do that by putting in your email right here, or you can either do it at the top of the page. So I'm going to do that right now. Then you are going to put in your age, you're going to put in your social security number, and you're going to answer the question of whether you're a student or not, and then click on let's do it. They're going to ask you for your total monthly income, and then they're going to ask you for your total combined banking balances. So your checking balances, they're going to ask you for all of your total combined balance. So you're going to put your monthly income and then submit application. And then they're going to say that you're pre-approved for up to a certain amount. And then you're going to put in your phone number, and they're going to text you to receive the rest of the application. Or you can click on skip, and they're going to email you the application if you click on skip. And then you're going to click on done. So really quickly before I end this video, there are a couple of things that you do need to know. Now, there have been like an overwhelming amount of people signing up for Tomo credit, so they actually do have a waiting list. So once you complete the pre-approval process, you're going to receive an email, and it's going to tell you the amount that you're pre-approved for, and then it's going to say that they have a team processing the pre-approvals as fast as possible, and you'll be notified as soon as the application is ready. This is going to be the first email, and then they're going to send you another email that says your card is reserved, and they've had a lot of people applying, and there is a wait list. So they will email you back with the application as soon as they reach you or they get to your name on the wait list. Now, they do report to all three credit bureaus. So really quickly, a little bit more information about the Tomo credit card. Um, they really do encourage you to use the card instead of your regular debit card because for the simple fact they do give you cash back, and then also it helps build your credit score. So usually you want to use the Tomo credit card like your normal debit card and only really use what you normally spend and don't like overcharge because you cannot carry a balance on this card. So it's a charge card. And they're going to set you up on automatic payments. They have weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly payment schedules, I believe. So you can also sign up if you are not a U.S. citizen. You can sign up and use your Social Security or your ITIN and a government issued ID. And you will have to have your bank account linked. And they do that to get you approved through the underwriting and also so they can do automatic payments. And then right here on the payment terms, your expenses are going to be consolidated from the first to the last day of the month, and payments will be automatically deducted from your bank account to cover the current balance. And like I just said, you cannot carry a balance. So this is a good opportunity for people who, again, want to build credit or they have bad credit and they want to rebuild it. This is a good opportunity for people to start obtaining good credit history. So definitely check this out. If you're interested, you can click the link down in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed the video, please make sure that you leave a thumbs up on this video. Don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions, and also leave your Cash App username so that you can possibly be picked for the giveaway in September to win $100. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, I almost forgot, I just released a brand new product that is helping a lot of business owners generate more leads and sales for their online business or whatever type of business you have. It works for any business. Real estate agents are using this system. We have dentists using this system. We have beauticians. All types of business owners are using this system to bring a flood of leads and sales to their social media platforms, and people are getting massive results. If you click the second link in the description, it's going to take you to this page. This is my product that I just released called the Social Leads Beast, and it's going to show you how to transform your Facebook profile into a powerful machine that grows your business very fast. So you definitely need to check this out if you are struggling to get new customers to your business. We do have proven results. There are testimonials on this page. People are getting lots and lots of leads and sales after launching this system. We have someone here that has generated over 350 new leads for their business, plus over $5,000 in sales. Another person made $1,500 with this system. Derek got leads and sales not too long after launching their system for their business. Someone with 200 subscribers within the first few weeks. So testimonials here. You definitely want to check this out. This is helping a lot of people. And this blueprint right now is only $7. So make sure you go ahead and check this out. And I will see you in the next video.